What is going on, Shibarmy? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Bone Shibaswap token, guys, and why I feel that Bone is going to be able to follow the pattern of Shiba Inu as well as Leash, guys. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to fully understand exactly what I'm talking about. So before I do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I definitely love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Bone. So first things first, guys, and again, a lot of people know the history of Shiba Inu. If you are early investor into it, you were able to make bank. But a lot of people don't realize it was the same thing for Leash. Back in the day, in order for you to be able to get Leash, you had to be a sheep holder. That was the reward for being a sheep holder. You stake your sheep, you receive Leash. So let's just take a quick look at Ryoshi'S articles here, so that way you guys could understand. So this was written in February 1st of 2021. He says, now that we are banging to move to phase 2, we need to set the frameworks for the future of decentralized finance with Leash, which was originally farmed by Sheep stakers. And again, in order for you to receive Leash at the time, you would have had to been a staker. Then later down the line, liquidity pools was added, and yeah, and Leash really exploded. But one thing that I thought was very fascinating was, in his February 1st, 2021 article, he was suggesting, and this is what I've been saying too, guys, for people who own other assets within the Shiba Inu community. Like, he was just saying, hey, even though you have Sheeb, buy a little Leash. He said, buy a little Leash to hold, just a small amount to be okay to hold, maybe 5% of your portfolio. So look at your Sheeb portfolio. Use 5% of that to be able to get a little Leash. He said, don't worry about the price since it's just a small part of your portfolio. It may go down a little, but likely will go up if everybody participate. Again, this was a community effort. Everybody participate. If you want to buy more Leash to speculate or speculate on, then do it as a separate from this 5%. Again, so if right now, and I'm saying this is the same example as well too, if you are a Shiba Inu holder, get 5% of your bag, the dollar bag of your Sheeb, and you use that to be able to buy Bone. Because look what ended up happening, because at the time, this was February 1st, 2021. February 1st was on this date. The height of Leash at the time was $3.59. So had anyone just listened to Ryoshi, guys, and let's say they use 25 bucks, guys, 25 bucks, this is not even nothing serious, 25 bucks, and we're able to get Leash at, let's say, $3.50, right? So this would have gave them 7.14 Leash. So if they have 7.4 Leash, when things started getting crazy and started going parabolic, because again, Leash wasn't trading that much, then you get this big parabolic move. At the height of things, Leash was sitting above $9,000, guys. So that 7.14 Leash that you had at $9,000 would have been worth $64,000 had everyone within the community listened to Ryoshi at the time. And again, that was just stupidly easy just to do, just to get a small portion of your bag that you already own in Sheep to be able to convert it over to Leash. And then, and just showing you guys just the representation of this. So Sheep holders, if you had Sheep at the early beginning, the way to get Leash, which was the new token that was coming on the block, was to stake your Sheep and you're able to receive Leash. Then once Leash and Sheep was established, the new token at the time, which was in 2021, was Bone. So what were people doing? They were staking their Sheep and Leash to be able to receive Bone. The only difference that we didn't see now is at the time this was already minted out, because again, only 107,000 token we didn't get our full minted out into the bear cycle, which was last year. So now that we have minted all of our bone, it's no longer the reward token. Just like how once this was minted out, it no longer became the reward token, because again, Leash was a reward token at one point in time. But after it no longer become the reward token, it went parabolic. And I think we're going to be able to see the same thing for bone, guys, because bone is no longer the reward token. We're going to get a new one, which is treat. And in order for us to be able to get treat, Sheeb, Leash, and bone holders could stake their Sheeb, Leash, and bone to be able to receive treat, guys. So again, history in itself is being repeated right before our eyes. And the funny thing about it too, Ryoshi, again, he outlined it in the in this article. I got to pull it up on the wrong one, so let me get it pulled up here where I highlighted it. So he, in this, he said the Shiba L2 Shibarium will actually use bone as the primary pair token, we think. The reason we are using this instead of Shiba is that bone will have a fair and 0 to start in, which we will not have to be concerned about overarching whale bags. But if you are a Shiba or a Leash holder, don't worry, your Shiba holdings will be used to yield bone at the launch of Shibaswap. So again, that's the same thing that he had in motion, and we're also seeing the same thing happening again, guys. History in itself is repeating itself. So I'm super excited, guys, as far as with the future of bone, with the new treat token coming out. And this is something that I already made a video about. Like I made a video saying that treat is gonna pretty much make bone go parabolic. Like we already seen examples of this already happening within the community. So, you know, so not financial advice, of course, but like Ryoshi said, if you are a Leash Sheeb holder, get 5%, you know, at least have a 5% bag of bone, because more likely the price of bone is gonna go higher. But let me know, guys, in the comment down below your thoughts, your opinion about all this. Random Arts guys signing off. Peace.